Yeah, I know, right? What? Oh, it's my turn? Everybody else is done? You sure? Okay. Welcome, everybody, and thank you. And I just want to take a couple of minutes to extend a warm Thanksgiving to all our subscribers and to those of you that do not celebrate Thanksgiving but have many other ways of celebrating during this holiday season. I extend you warm blessings on this season. I want to take a little bit of time to thank my friends that have posted messages before me. The lovely Risa, little ball of sun with legs. Our friend Virginia from Divinity School. My brother from another mother, Cole, down in Byron Bay, Australia. And to the beautiful Rana for sharing her message by video and bringing Archangel Michael along. I also want to thank Erin Michelle Galito for all the support she has given over the last several years. And I just wanted to share, I did not know these people a year ago. If you are true to your own path, if you find something that you feel you need to do, you think is a part of your, divine blueprint, and you walk that path, and you walk that path with your head up, you are going to draw to you people of like mind, people of like heart, like Cole and Risa and Virginia and Rana and Aaron. It's just natural. Everybody of the same vibration comes together, and it is such a beautiful thing, and they have all been such a beautiful gift in my life. And they're sharing. They didn't have to do these messages. I asked them to do it. So many people are disconnected in this holiday season. I'm going to be alone. The majority of people are going to be alone, but it's not a big deal. I mean, we've got as corny as it sounds, and I say it every now and then, and it sounds like a corn, but I truly feel this is my extended family, and I know a lot of you feel the same way, and it is a blessing beyond words, and hopefully, like myself, you stay true to your path, and pathways and doorways and windows are going to open for you, and life is going to expand, and we're going to get through this. We're going to get through this year, and then 3-5 years down the road, we're going to look back, and we're all going to smile like a bad fever dream. But I stay true to my path, and anybody that takes a walk down the beaches of the world, and if you're fortunate enough, you walk through the waves, and maybe your eye picks up a little glint of something in the water, and you bend down and you find a beautiful crystal, a crystal that God started to chisel away to smooth off some of the tough edges, but then decided just to put it back down and let the waves take care of it. A crystal so beautiful that when you hold it up to the sun, the rays just create a rainbow in your heart. A rainbow that just opens your heart to the world and lets you see everything as it is. And as my friend Mr. Dean says, things are not as they seem. And that is so true. Just because you cannot see something does not mean it cannot be seen. Just because you cannot feel something does not mean it cannot be felt. And just because you cannot touch something does not mean it cannot be touched. You will feel it, you will see it, and you will touch it when you are true to your path. So spend time when you're by yourself in contemplation and meditation, in the silence. Learn to listen to the still small voice in your heart. You will find a crystal, and it will be beautiful beyond comprehension. God doesn't play around. God knows what you've been doing, and He rewards you thusly. And as Rana has said, as Archangel Michael has said, as Kryon has said over the last 35 years, you are loved in a perfect and everlasting love, and you are surrounded by angels, legions upon legions of angels that are there just for you. You are unique. You are a special, unique expression of God. You could not be anything other than that. And you are perfect, just as God is perfect. How could a perfect God create anything less than himself? Think about that during this season. Think about how perfect you are. There is no other like you in creation. You are loved. You are needed. And creation is not complete without you. So thank you to all my friends and family. You are a family to me. May your next year be blessed beyond measure. May this holiday season be one not of sadness, but one of joy. May you find a crystal that lights your world. And may you find the true meaning behind the word love. Thank you for giving us a listen. And have a blessed holiday season. You are loved. And so be it.